Okay, so we've already made one pass down our potato rows we healed this year. And as you can see, we do have some potatoes there that we didn't get the first go down this row. And we are using our middle buster to open that up for potato digging. But this is what we've harvested so far. We've got a bag and a bucket just off of one row of potatoes, and we have 3 more to go. And I am so sorry, our crabgrass kind of got ahead of us. Okay, we're gonna hit this one more time before we start on the next row. Okay, keep going. So we got the girls, they're throwing them out in the grass. Okay, we're gonna go again. Whole new row. There we go. So if you've never learned about healing potatoes, you can watch my previous videos. I believe it has definitely produced a bigger yield in our potato crop. Okay, second go of it on this row. Whew.
Another one right here.
Okay, gotta get it. Woohoo! What's the consensus, Maggie? Are you getting tired? Oh, that's a lot of potatoes. This makes our third row. We have one more to go after this, but we may end up doing it another night. I think he caught a root. Okay, 3 rows, 6 bags. We've got 3 bags over there and a bucket and 2 more bags over here. And we're gonna hit this row 2 more times probably because we still have a few potatoes coming up. Okay, coming. Okay, so we're gonna pause and we're gonna dig potatoes. Last row, woohoo! We decided just to go ahead. It looks like just as many as last time, or more.
More, a lot more.
More.
Very much more.
Maggie says our onions are looking kind of big. I don't know if you can see them. There we go. There's a nice big one.
Go down to the biggest one right there.
Oh, right there. She says these are bigger.
Hey! Davis.
Yeah, we have some. So Daddy, what's the consensus? Are we hilling again next year?
We're hilling again next
Woohoo!
I am not picking those potatoes up.
Are you getting tired? She's tired. It's getting late. I don't know if you saw them just rolling out. They're everywhere. Okay, we just finished up and it's starting to get dark. But I just wanted to show you guys what we got. So we have 3 bags here. And then over here, we have 4 buckets full. And then we have 1 more big bag full over here. So that was our harvest off of 4 rows of potatoes. We planted Yukon Golds this year and last, and so that was our harvest. We're going to finish out by, I think my husband's hooking the tiller on. We're going to till this up, see if we have any more float to the top, and then we will be done with this year's potato harvest. Okay, so we're going to finish out this video. We've got to haul these in, and it's getting dark. So we got the ground worked back in, and hopefully we can get in between our rows over there tilled with a little tiller sometime tomorrow. And so I'm going to close out this video. I hope your potato harvest was as wonderful as ours was. See you later. Bye.